We are live now, Toby.
Oh, okay. Hello everyone, we are here again. I hope you guys are having a good day. So sorry we're starting a bit late. There were some technical issues that we had to, attend to. But we are here today. We're not actually doing much. You know, if we're present in our last stream, which was on Friday, we were sorted out our project, our respective project that we're going to do to deepen our knowledge in what we have been doing so far since we started. So, and that's what we want to show today. Want to show our project starting from my cousin.
Toby has
I
been
mean,
cooking. He's going to,
cooking.
he's going to cooking. He's been cooking, guy. Chef Toby. You are the one that is showing your own first to. Which is cousin. I mean,
All right, all right, all right. Give me a minute. I'm coming, please.
it's your own that will show first. I mean, who is going first? Bolu, you go first. Or I should go first.
I said I'm doing clean up stage. Clean up stage. I'm trying to make it a little bit.
I think you should go first.
Clean up stage. Me, I should go first. I don't know. If you say so. So my project was not really elaborate. So I got a project on a landing page website, right? So a product landing page basically. So I did the project on a earbuds brand. That's airport, yeah, like an airport brand. That's what I created a website for. So it's nothing really big like that, just a one-page thing. So let me share my screen now and open the project so we can all see what I've done. Not really big, sharp, but earbuds project. So this is basically all I had that I've done. Let me just show us the code before we go into what we had. So we have the navigation at the first part, and we have the hero section, then the partners logo. I think there's a little part of it that is not complete. I was finding it hard to find logos, but yeah. So we have the partners logo, then we have the about section, then product section. Sha. So inside the product section, we're going to be showing the image, some images, then products grid section. So this grid section, we're going to be showing images to sell, right? Then we have the footer. So nothing elaborate, just a simple work. So now let me run it for us to see. Let me run it for us to see. So when I was creating the project, I found out that creating like building stuff with dark themes looks a little bit nicer. I hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, we
You
can.
guys are not talking. Oh, yeah, sure. So it's I use the dark theme to basically make it look nice, and I use icons as well, and just my. So this is my hero section with images of the products. Then this is supposed to be the logo section that shows the logos of people partnering with the company that has um, the product. Then just basically basic sections, images, and all of our products you can get now. So this was the image is loaded. Okay. Then we have this headphone, yeah. Yeah. and the footer. So nothing elaborate. So we have this part, this part, and this part. So what I just make sure is that I had a clean design, nothing too much. As long as everything that I'm trying to display shows perfectly, then everything works as I want it to be, and it's very arranged and clean. So it beats the fact that there is not much information in it, but as long as something that it looks nice is there, then I should not have issues. So what do you guys think? What are your comments?
My first look at it is this is an amazing work, honestly. To be honest, it is, guy. It's better than some websites I've seen or I've come across. Serious, I'm not even joking right now. It is beautiful. The
Mm-hmm.
background, everything is just in synchronization, and it makes it pop out more. Makes sense. Makes sense. I like it.
If the nav logo is saying
Sure.
sync, and you're not getting it, sync.
And now I saw it. That's why it makes sense. It makes sense. Honestly.
Oh yeah. Bolu, what are you? What about you?
Toby's going next. Toby's going next.
You did not comment. I'm telling you to comment on the project now. I also comment on
Oh,
your own.
okay. Okay. Actually, it looks very good because the airpod, the airpod has like a purple stuff. It fits
Mm-hmm.
the text, the amazing music, so it actually fits.
Mm-hmm.
Everything like works together, so it actually makes sense. I like it.
Sure. Mm. So who's going next now? I'm going to off my own screen.
Okay. Mine is just a beginner friendly, nothing much, nothing special. You know.
Don't belittle your project, bro. Have
Ah,
confidence in it.
okay,
Sure, it's
no
nothing
wahala.
special.
Just hold on a second.
Have confidence in the rubbish you have done.
What do you
Even if
mean
it's
rubbish, bro? What do you mean
no, no,
rubbish,
no, no. I
guy?
did not mean it. Calm, calm, calm. I did not mean it like literally. I meant that even if you have done something you regard as rubbish, right? In your mind, you feel like, okay, this thing does not really make sense. Have confidence in it. Like now, if I was to comment on my own, so I regard it as rubbish. I had confidence in the rubbish I was
Hmm.
putting out. So,
So can you see
so you
my?
don't
Can
have
you guys?
to like say what you did was rubbish. Yada yada yada.
No,
Yeah, yeah,
I
I
did
can
not say
see.
it was rubbish. It's just a start for me. So can you guys see my screen now?
Okay,
Hmm?
okay.
So this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
just the code.
yeah,
I
yeah,
got
yeah.
a food
Okay.
website and I named it Mike's Kitchen. So this is just everything I did. This took me 4 hours, by the way, four
Chef
hours.
Mike,
So this is
Chef
literally
Mike.
it. I added the opening hours, the about us stuff, the cards and stuff. This is my styling. You can see just what we're talking about so far. Blah blah blah. It took me 4 hours. I did not even sleep well because of this. So let me just show you the result of the project, yeah. So this is it. Can you guys see it?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So this is it. This is it. The
No,
menu.
we cannot see it too. Now only your code they show.
Oh really?
Yeah, yeah. Share screen like the old screen. You're sharing only that window. That's why.
Yeah, yeah. That's fine. Okay. Can you guys see it now?
Yep,
Okay, so this is it.
we can.
Not, this. I basically did what we did earlier. I just took some ideas from it and look at opening hours. This is the opening hours, yeah, and the contact. Then my beautiful menu. You see, juicy grilled steak cooked to perfection, fresh salad
Yeah.
with blah blah blah, chicken. And actually, these are my one of my favorite meals too, except from the pizza. I don't like pizza,
Hmm.
so I actually used
Eating, yeah,
bad steak.
eating. You eat
I
what?
used
You used what?
I used an I used an image that that the cover was my this cover, this was not like this big image that is here was not actually what I used earlier. I used pounded yam and egusi, but the image was not, you know, the bigger the image was, it was not very clear. So Bolo
It was
advised me that I
blur.
should, yeah, it was very bro. So Bolo advised me I should use free pick, and I used free pick. I downloaded it and it gave me this very very sharp image. So that's about it for my project. So.
Okay.
I'm currently trying to join a what's it called StreamYard on my laptop so I can share my screen. So I'm coming, please.
Okay. Okay.
I'm using my
So if
phone
I
to
was to
join.
comment on your okay. If I was to comment on your project, Toby, I feel like it's good at least for a starter. But the only issue that me I had with it is that first of the arrangement of your layout is kind of shabby. The arrangement of the layout is not like the best. How will I put it now? The arrangement of the layout is not the best. Be split again, so I will like see other parts that I can point out.
Okay.
Okay. This part that is gray now does not match what you are doing. It's not useful. That gray part that is there. Yeah. See that it counters that Mike's kitchen.
Yeah.
You're using a dark text on a dark background. It does not make sense. But when you see your navbar, where you use Mike's kitchen and the red and everything, it makes sense. So when you're working on a project, always make sure that there's consistency in your color usage, even in your fonts. So you use white, black, and red in your logo. That means all the other part of your page should also like follow that same trend. You know that when you want to write another place, you now use another color that does not match it entirely. Do you understand? So that place that is gray is not really does not really make sense. And that other part again, you use this part even looking nicer. It's just the layout. If you had laid it out like more nicely, it should have made sense. Like in this place, I put our menu instead of the burger, the pizza and other foods that were there on a column format. Should have just displayed them in a card format so they'll be horizontal. Do you understand? To make it look better. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in next project, maybe when you're working on another project, you can just take note of those corrections so that it look nice. And also that opening hours. I feel like there's no point in creating another separate page for it. Should have just left it inside the same. Okay, it's on the same page. I thought it was on another page.
It's on the same page.
Should have
Same
just
page.
and it's yeah, and make it look nicer next time. You just put text all around.
Mm.
So so yeah,
All right. Mm.
sure.
So what would you rate it out of 10? You know.
Your project out of 10 should be about like a 5
It's good.
thereabout.
It's good.
Yeah, at least for your first project.
At least. But at least the next one should be better. Should.
Yeah, it should be better. It should.
Joined on with my laptop, but the voice is not working.
The voice. Check the settings of your what's it called? Check the settings of your audio on the laptop. So guys, I'm not seeing comments, so you guys should comment. I think two viewers are viewing this. So yeah. And also, when you're building a project, I feel like you should always look for a template as it is a beginner. Yeah. Like Toby now, if you had followed like a template that you're using, you might have actually come out with a better UI. Do you understand? Because your UI that I'm seeing there looks like something that you crafted off the top of your head. So it's
Yeah.
better to just look for a UI to build with, do you know, because you don't really have experiences with like arranging stuff. So it's better to just look at what other people have done in the past, right? And just try and replicate it. it makes your work easier, and you also gain from arrangement. So let me show us what I did when I was coming up with my own. So I basically just looked for, decided the project I was going to build. Then I checked different places for templates to follow. So to get a template, right, you basically just search. There are different places to get templates. You can just search for theme forests. There's theme forests. You see a lot of templates there. So you can see professional WordPress themes and website templates for any project. So you just search. Like now, it's food projects you're working on. Just search food.
I can't see your screen. No.
Just search food project or food website. Really? Oh, sorry, I forgot to add it to the. Okay. You should be able to see it now.
Yes, I can see it now.
So you basically just add this to your order. Just basically just search for teamforest.net. Then you come in and search for the websites you're looking for. That means the templates. So food website templates. You see different templates that you can copy from. Nice and clean UI and everything. So
Mm.
all these ones are not what I want. So if you don't get what you want, you basically just change the food websites.
What's the name of the website? Like the website where you are
Team
searching for this
Forest.
Think Forest.
Yeah, teamforest.net.
Oh,
Team,
okay.
THEME
Oh,
forest.net.
okay, okay, okay.
Then you can search for anyone that you like. Then another one is the color lib. It's the color lib we used that time. Like when we were building that, what's it called? And time zone project. So you can check
Mm-hmm.
color lib as well. You can check color lib. You come in, let me look. Then you see the template. Click on the templates, then you basically just search this place.
Mm.
You click on the search button. You search,
Should I start? Eh?
what is it? I think my network had some issues as well. So let me
Can you
just
hear me?
bring that back.
Okay, you started me.
Yeah, I can hear you now. What were you saying
I
before?
want to, how do I share my screen now?
You see one share screen button and beside the video,
Oh,
one
is it
screen, then the
present?
plus icon.
Is it the
Yeah,
present
present.
just
Yes, yes, yes. Click it.
share screen? Mm. Where's it on? Are you seeing my screen? Are
Yep,
you seeing my screen?
you can see your screen.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So this is basically what I did. So let me first show the code. Um so sorry, I'm coming. I just want to share my code. So basically, this is all we have learned. You know, the CDN for the bootstrap
Icons.
icons. Yeah, and I followed semantics that we have been taught. Semantics that we have been taught. You know, your nav bar and the everything that's supposed to be in the top section of your web page is supposed to be in the header. So I also did that.
Being the
I did
better.
a nav bar and I followed the nav semantic tag. Also, I created header using the list, yeah, unordered list, yeah, and I created sections, and the section is supposed to be in the main tag, so I also did that. Yeah, I created a div for images, my posts, the description and date, yeah, and I also created the footer. So the footer is supposed to be outside the main semantic tag according to what we have been taught. So that's basically all I did. And also
Mhm.
the CSS. So our teacher taught us to be using this what is it called? This root stuff. That's to create our primary what will I call it? Customize
Yeah.
our own CSS. Yeah, customization of our own CSS stuff. So I also did that. Um, I did, I created buttons, give them background color and stuff. So basically, it's just normal CSS. So this is how I added the font. So this is how I added it. Because actually, that was the
Mm.
first time that somebody told me I should be doing this, and I actually recommend it. It's very good. It makes your code, look sharp, neat, and compact, not
Yeah.
long and stuff. Yeah. So I'll share the code. So that'll be the result. Yeah. So sorry for taking on. So this is basically what
No
I did. So
problem.
don't
It's
mind
okay.
the image. I'm looking for a better image. So basically this is just all I did. I followed what will I call it, a website. Sure. So this is it.
Okay.
Then the stuff. Then the browse by all top all posts. Then the footer is very simple. So that's
Yeah, yeah,
basically
yeah.
all I did. Yeah, so.
Okay. So let me say something before you close it.
Oh,
As
okay.
well close it already. Open it back.
I'm coming out to share this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you seeing it?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So first off, the colors are nice actually. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Scroll up a bit. First thing we notice there is that your page is overflowing. That means maybe there's something wrong somewhere. The page is overflowing, like on the horizontal axis. Can you see it?
Where?
It's overflowing like this.
Is it to the side? Is it the side?
Can you see? Yeah, 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 yeah. It's
Oh,
overflowing to
I
this
will add
side.
the CSS stuff to it.
Okay. Then also I feel like your fonts are nice, but you should like use other fonts, not just depend on the ones that we use on what's it called on our HTML and CSS. I don't think I've talked about font. Maybe I'll talk about it now. So it's not something
So
that
it's
I
no more
just
overflowing
use
now.
and use iPhones. Yes, it's no longer overflowing. It's no longer overflowing. So I said we should use more like nicer fonts. We should not just depend on the one that we use on what's it called HTML and CSS stuff. So let me show us how to import fonts to our stuff. Then now so I'll share your screen. Let me share my own. Okay, sorry. So this was my project, right? You can see the font I used was not like the, let me just say, it's not, does not look like the normal ones you see on, that's a more cleaner feel to it, right?
You are not sharing your
So to
screen.
get nice fonts like this, what we do is this. Okay, sorry. I don't do there. Okay, yeah. So the fonts I use are a little more like they have a nicer feel, yeah, to it. They have nicer feel. So you cannot find this one on your, if you just write font family, you will not find it there. So what we need to do is basically import fonts to make our work nicer. There are a lot of fonts that we import, and in HTML and CSS, the only font like 10 or 15 or 20 max. So to import fonts, we use this Google fonts. We just come here, googlefonts.com or fonts.google.com. So when you search fonts.google.com, like that, basically just search. You search for the font you want. You will see different fonts here. You have Roboto, Open Stance, Playwright, a lot of fonts. You can see how tiny this scroll bar is. That means there are a lot of fonts there. So whether cost is there. So you basically just need to search. The font I used was Poppins. Poppins. And that's the name of the font. And this is how it looks like. So this is the Poppins font. So basically what you want to do when you want to get the font is basically when you have selected the font you want, and you see get embedded code.
You're muted. We cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
We can't hear you.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Sharp. I think it's probably the network before. So I was trying to explain how we add what's it called now? The Google font to our project, like I've done in mine here. So just gives it a nicer feel. So you basically just go to your Google fonts here. Let me start from the beginning. Go to the fonts, then you search for the ones you use. In the project I did, I used Poppins, right? So you search Poppins, then you come here. So when
Your
you already
screen
click
is
on
not
Poppins
showing.
like this, you see this get font button or more.
What's the site for that font?
You can see now
Font.google.
Google fonts, Google fonts. Just add Google font or font.google.com. Yeah, the get font. Then when you have get font, you get embed code. Then you see the link that you paste in your head tag. When you copy this link, you come and paste it here in your head tag. You just paste it directly. Then after that, you now come back to there and come and copy the CSS. You just scroll down, you see toppings.css class. Then you just copy the CSS. So I was explaining that all of them here that are basically the same. All the CSS code for these toppings are the same. The only difference is that the font width, that's the font, you can see some 100, then you can see some 200, and there are some that they added italic to. So fonts like italic. So anyone you want. Just make sure that this font family does not change. Poppins sans serif does not change because that's basically what we imported. So I use the Poppins regular. That's the font with 400 and the font is a normal style. So I basically just add it to the body tag so that all my project except this snapback that has Poppins like is going to have a light, light one. So that's how I came about this project. So our advice that when you are building a project, always plan it and also like look for a template that's going to guide you. Only if you already mastered the craft of like arranging your project to like look nice, like the layout, I mean. So just look for a nice layout and follow. So I already told us that we can use Team Forest and we can use Colored. But you can also get templates on Dribble. Dribble is another when you click on it, search for whatever type of project you want to build, then you will basically see the templates for them. So search for Dribble, then see different guys. Sorry guys, my network is it's kind of bad this morning. I don't know why. So yeah, I've already given us the, let's just say the basic, let's just say brief explanation of everything I've done, and everybody presented nice projects. Toby presented, Polu presented. But Chidima wasn't able to present ours because she was busy throughout the week. But she'll try to do ours and also present for us. Right?
Yes, I
Chidima,
will.
you do it. Yeah?
Yes, I will.
Oh yeah. So maybe in the coming classes, one of the classes just take a minute to show us what you have done. So yeah, in the next class, what do you guys think we should do? I was thinking we should um, learn how to deploy the project you have done. That is, make it public for everybody to view. What do you think?
Mm, I like the idea. But me, I feel like I don't know if everybody can be, cool with doing another project to see how we have, improved and or from what we've done today and stuff.
Let me see. Let me hear what you said again. I'm not hearing very well.
I said like the idea of make teaching us how to make our projects go public is good, but I feel like we should do another project again so that to see how far we have, like improved.
So another project again. And I have to display when?
Maybe Friday.
Friday. Okay. But this is what we'll do. We'll do another one. That means we'll search and share another project now that we're going to show on Friday. But we are still going to have a class on Wednesday teaching us how to deploy the project. So we are going to have to work from now all through to Friday and prepare for the project. What do you guys think?
That's
That's
good. That
okay.
works for me.
Okay. So we learn how to prepare and also deploy our projects on Wednesday. So yeah, that's basically all we have for today. Yeah. Then after we have learned all of those things, I think we should have another, that's from next week. On Monday, we are not going to have like a class per se. We're just going to come here and discuss about certain topics. I don't know about the topics I want to discuss yet, Sha, but I will brief us or post about it maybe during the weekend or so. But I'm going to let us know what we are going to discuss, Sha. So we just come here and talk. We should not always be coming here to code and code and code every time. Let's also create time for us to grow um, psychologically. I mean, how will I say? So yeah, we'll discuss about certain things that will help us as well. So yes, Bolu, you have not said anything. What do you want to say before we end?
Whatever majority carries the vote.
Shares
Go with
majority
what
carry the
go
vote.
with what everybody said.
Say what say what you want to say. Do you have anything to say? No. Yes.
Actually, I like the idea of deploying our project. But me, I was
Mhm.
thinking, oh, we're still going to do tailwind. So that's what I was
Yes, we'll
thinking.
still do it.
Okay.
We'll still do tailwind. That's like the next thing after deploying. Jonathan. So after we have learned
Okay.
this one, after we learned deploying and all, then from next week we are going to start tailwind. That's why I want everything to end this week. The next week we start tailwind proper. And after tailwind, we'll now move to JavaScript. So yeah, Toby, the mic is yours. End us so we go our separate ways.
All right. So that's just about it for today. I hope you guys had a very good time. It's actually fun. It's actually fun,
Toby,
honestly.
you.
So we thought it was going to be fun, and we are men and women of our word. So it was fun, and you guys should just. I think are we going to do a summary video? I think not because we didn't actually do much. Or if we decide on doing a summary video, you guys should just turn on your notification bell.
Yeah,
So,
we can actually. We can, but it's not going to be a summary video per se. I feel like what we should do is basically just to record like what we have done. Like the project we have done, just screen record and scroll. Then we just basically um add maybe a music in the background and post. So people will just see like what we have done here. So I will screen record mine, you screen record yours, everybody will screen record and we'll post it as a short.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys should turn on your notification bell. So when we post the video, YouTube is going to send you a notification to view it. You guys should. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a motivation for us to keep on impacting you guys and impacting ourselves too. So catch us again on our next live stream. Hopefully we won't start a bit late like we did today. So
Yeah.
Wednesday, by the special grace of God, 11 a.m. prompt. Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you. Have a wonderful day.
Bye y'all. See you guys later.